Missiles may look similar, but they actually work in completely different ways. In modern warfare, there are three main types: cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, and hypersonic missiles. 1. Cruise missiles. Cruise missiles fly like small pilotless airplanes. Instead of following a high arc into space, they stay inside the atmosphere and travel long distances at relatively low altitude. A famous example is the Tomahawk cruise missile. They use jet engines, wings for lift, and advanced navigation systems like GPS and terrain mapping. This allows them to fly extremely low to the ground, sometimes just 30 to 50 meters above terrain, making them difficult for radar systems to detect. Cruise missiles are known for precision strikes, often targeting radar sites, air defenses, and command centers. 2. Ballistic missiles. Ballistic missiles work very differently. They launch like rockets and travel high above the Earth's atmosphere. After the boost phase, they follow a curved path through space before re-entering the atmosphere at incredible speed. One example is the LGM-30 Minuteman III. These missiles can travel over 10,000 kilometers, reaching targets on the other side of the planet. When the warhead re-enters the atmosphere, it can travel faster than Mach 20, making interception extremely difficult. 3. Hypersonic missiles. Hypersonic missiles are a newer type of weapon that combine extreme speed with maneuverability. They travel faster than Mach 5 and can change direction while flying through the atmosphere. One example is the KH-47M2 Kinzhal. Each missile type uses a completely different engineering approach. Cruise missiles rely on precision flight, ballistic missiles use space-based trajectories, and hypersonic weapons focus on speed and maneuverability. So which one do you think is the hardest to defend against?